everybody. Today I'm going to go over my final tip for surviving the holiday season. Before we get started, I'd love for you to watch a great intro into this tip, which is in the description below. It's a video that just kind of allows us to start reflecting on this crazy year. So go to the description below, check out the video, and I'll see you back here. All right, so real talk here. This year has not been easy by any means for anyone. There have been so many struggles that I think everyone's faced. They might not all be the same, but we've faced them and we've survived them. And I think it's important for us to reflect on the fact that we are here, we made it, and we have to keep pushing. Like the commercial says, we have to keep searching for our why. And if we know what our why is, set out to accomplish it. I think a great way to do that is by reflecting on all those gifts that we already bring into this world. And so today I'm going to ask you to follow along with this activity. I hope you like it, and I would love for you to post pictures in the comments section or let me know how this activity helped you. To get started, you'll need a piece of paper, some scissors, and some tape. You're going to fold the paper in half, or as we like to say in elementary school, hamburger style. Then you're going to cut it in half. You're going to set the other piece of paper aside for later and then fold it in half one more time. From there, you're going to cut the piece of paper in half. Now that you have two pieces of paper, you're going to take them and go ahead and lay them over each other and cut them in half, just a slit. You don't want to cut the whole piece of paper. Notice how the first time it didn't quite work out for me, so I had to cut just a little bit more. That way, the papers lay over each other perfectly. Once you've achieved this, you can go ahead and start writing. Once you have folded the paper down flat, you're going to put your left hand on the side so you don't write on it. Make sure you then write "You are a ... From there, you're going to write your relationships that you have or roles that you play in other people's lives. Once you flip the page, you will write "You show others you care by." Underneath, you can write some ideas of how you show other people you care about them. Then, to the right, you'll write 5 of the best words that describe you are. Think of 5 words that best describe you. Creative, optimistic, whatever it is, write it down. Then on the final page, you will write, "Someday you will blank. This will make a positive impact by blank." Obviously, you fill in the blanks. Next, you will fold the paper down so that there are 2 blank sides. This will be your front. You're going to write the title, "You are a gift to the world," and decorate it in pencils, pens, markers, crayons, whatever floats your boat. No present is complete without you creating a bow to decorate it. So what you will need to do is fold your leftover piece of paper into 2 strips and cut them. Once you've accomplished that, you're going to go ahead and tape them together just like you would a bow. Make sure a tape for the top and a tape for the bottom, press down. Do the same thing with your second bow. Then you'll want to add another piece of tape to secure the bow so that they are 2 pieces together. All that's left to do is put your bow on top and dun, 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 you have your present. Don't forget to admire your handiwork. Now that you're all done with your craft project, I encourage you to put it in a place that's going to be a constant reminder of all the gifts you bring to the world and all the people you impact with your positive influence. It is okay to have bad days, but remember that it's important to push through them. Why? Because you matter. You bring so many gifts into this world, and don't ever forget it. Remember, mental health matters. This message is brought to you by Techno Taurus.